Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Christy, and if you're new to my channel, you're most welcome. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a very easy, simple and delicious stir-fries, mushroom and prawns. Please watch this video and I'll list the name of all the ingredients I used so you can try it at home. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the video. I will be using the following ingredients: prawn, mushroom, carrots, chicken breast, corn flour, oil, salt, Maggi cube, garlic, Beansprouts Stir-fry, onions and scotch bonnet. The next thing, I will wash the mushroom and the chicken breast, and I'm going to chop them in small size while I get my pan ready to fry, and also chop the onions and the scotch bonnet with the garlic, just as you see on this video. Usually stir fries doesn't take much time just because of the chicken. I just say like roughly 12 to 15 minutes. Once I'm sure the chicken is cooked, then every other thing is just very like quick, you know. So I hope you watch this video and just see how I make the stir fries. It's just so quick and easy to make. As you see on the video, you start with the chicken. I added the garlic, scotch bonnet and the onions, then you fry. Once the chicken goes a bit like it's cooked, you know, when the color changes, you know how to just add salt, and I'll be adding the Maggi cube. Then I'll stir, just keep stirring and make sure you fry on the low heat. That's what I always do, so you don't burn the chicken. Thank you very much for taking our time to watch this video. My new subscribers and also my returning subscribers, I appreciate all the love and time. This is a very easy recipe which I just made, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to try this recipe, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and also share this video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.